Tonight, we drift into a gentle hive, a warm hum, a golden light, and the quiet industry of honey bees. Apis mellifera. Breathe slowly, and let true, simple facts carry you toward rest. Fact 1. A tiny superorganism. A honeybee colony behaves like a single living body. One queen, tens of thousands of workers, and seasonal drones all share tasks so perfectly that the hive acts as a superorganism. Workers gather nectar and pollen, nurses raise brood, guards keep the entrance safe, and the queen lays eggs. No single bee knows the plan, yet together, the colony adapts to weather, food, and threats with astonishing coordination. Fact 2. The queen's fountain of life. After maiden flights, a queen stores sperm in a small internal organ called the spermatheca, enough for years. In strong spring flows, she may lay over 1,000 eggs a day, shaping the population curve of the entire hive. Her pheromones maintain social order, calming workers and signaling that the colony is stable and fertile. When her signal weakens with age, workers may prepare new queens. Pause. Fact 3. Workers change jobs with age. A worker's life is a sequence of roles. Young bees start as nurses, feeding larvae royal jelly and bee bread. Then they build comb, store nectar, and guard the entrance. In their final weeks, they forage, the riskiest job outside the hive. Summer workers live roughly 6 weeks. Winter workers, with different physiology and fat reserves, can live months to bridge the cold season. Pause. Fact 4. The Waggle dance. Returning foragers perform a figure-8 dance. The Waggle run angle gives direction relative to the sun. The duration suggests distance. The dancer often carries the scent of the flowers she visited, helping nestmates confirm the target. This language is accurate enough that newly recruited foragers can fly straight to a patch they have never seen before. Fact 5. Hexagons for strength. Wax is precious. Bees must metabolize honey to produce it in tiny flakes. To save material while maximizing space, they build hexagonal cells, strong, light, and tightly packed with no gaps. The comb cradles brood, stores pollen, and seals ripe honey behind thin wax cappings. Even the comb's angle is tilted slightly upward, helping nectar stay put while it dries. Pause. Fact 6. A violet world. Bees see differently from us. They are sensitive to ultraviolet patterns, but cannot see true red. Many flowers paint UV landing strips, guiding bees to the nectar. Petals we see as simple may glow with invisible maps. To a bee, the world is more violet and patterned than human eyes can know. Fact 7. A soft electric pull. As a bee flies, air friction gives her a tiny positive charge. Pollen grains carry a slight negative charge, so when she lands, pollen jumps to her branched, plumose hairs. This quiet electrostatic pull increases the efficiency of each visit, dusting her with golden grains that she grooms into pollen baskets on her hind legs. Pause. Fact 8. Propolis, the hive's medicine. Workers collect tree resins and blend them into propolis, a sticky, aromatic bee glue. They seal cracks, smooth cell walls, and reduce drafts with it. Propolis has antimicrobial effects and helps maintain a clean, calm microenvironment. If a large intruder like a mouse dies inside, bees may even encase it in propolis, sealing away decay to protect the colony. Fact 9. Perfect temperature. Honeybee brood thrives near 34.5 to 35 degrees Celsius. To warm the nursery, bees shiver their flight muscles without flying. To cool it, they fan with coordinated wing beats and may spread water for evaporative cooling. Thousands of small bodies keep a steady climate through heat, cold, and storm, an orchestra of tiny regulators. Fact 10. Honey that keeps. Ripe honey has low water content and a gently acidic pH. Enzymes from worker mouths create a touch of hydrogen peroxide, and the concentrated sugars bind free water, discouraging microbes. Sealed in capped cells, honey can last for years. When cool, some honeys crystallize naturally, still wholesome, still sweet. Fact 11. Drones with wide eyes. Drones are males with large eyes and no stingers. They gather in the open sky at drone congregation areas, waiting for virgin queens. Mating is brief and final. The drone dies afterward. As flowers fade late in the year, many drones are pushed from the hive so the colony can conserve food for winter. Pause. Fact 12. The barbed gift. Workers carry a barbed stinger attached to a venom sac. Against thick-skinned mammals, the barb anchors. When the bee pulls away, part of her abdomen tears, and she dies. It is a costly defense meant for large threats. By contrast, a queen's stinger is smoother, used mainly to fight rival queens inside the hive. Pause. Fact 13. Maps in the mind. Foragers learn landmarks, odors, and the sun's path, adjusting for time of day. Many fly 2 to 5 kilometers to rich forage and still return home with precision. If the sun is hidden, they can use patterns of skylight polarization to keep their bearings. Quiet navigators reading subtle signs. Pause. Fact 14. A language of scents. Pheromones knit the colony together. The queen's scent stabilizes worker behavior. Alarm pheromone, with a banana-like note, rallies guards. The Nasanov signal helps lost bees orient to the entrance. With a few molecules in the air, thousands of individuals act as one. Fact 15. Sleep, even for bees. Bees sleep, antennae droop, movements slow, and response times lengthen. Rest supports learning. Foragers that sleep poorly may dance less accurately. Even in a busy hive, there is a rhythm of activity and rest, soft cycles that keep the superorganism clear-minded and strong. Tonight, let their gentle hum be your lullaby. Exhale and picture warm wax, soft wings, and amber light behind the comb. If this calm story helped you unwind, subscribe for one soft, science-backed animal fact each night. Pause.